Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Android Wizardry. In our previous video, we have implemented the main activity logic, basically all the click listeners logic we have implemented. In this video, we are going to implement our result logic. So whenever the equal to is pressed, how the result will be calculated. So today we are going to implement that. So for that we are going to create here a helper class and we are going to name it math expression solver. Here we will have multiple methods. The first one is just a simple solve expression method. From here we are going to return the result. Then there will be evaluate method where we are going to evaluate our expression. Has precedence method where we are going to implement the precedence logic. Then we will have our operation logic method where we are going to apply the operations. So let's just start from the first one. Here what we will do is we are going to do a try. We are going to return here. We are going to call evaluate method with expression. Then we are going to catch some errors here. So the first one is arithmetic exception. If there is a arithmetic exception, for example, cannot divide by 0 or something like that, then we are going to have this cannot divide by 0 because that is going to be our only arithmetic exception that we are seeing right now. Otherwise, there will be invalid expression error, like if something invalid that we have passed. But this expression will never occur because in our main activity we are already checking for the regular expression of our input. So yeah, so this is our very simple and very basic math expression solver. We are checking the precedence, we are applying the operations, we are evaluating, and we are solving. So we are using stack for our values and operators. We are checking all the values here and yeah, this is how it works. So now let's go to our main activity, and here what we are going to do is math expression solver dot solve expression current expression. So now let's just build our application and see how it works. Alright, our app is now running. So let's just try some basic values first. 65, 75 plus 6, 81, correct, all clear, it is clearing everything. So let's try to do a mode by 0. It should return this, cannot divide by 0. See, cannot divide by 0, that's correct. Then again 79 divided by 2 multiply 12, then plus decimal 95 plus 6 divided by 1000. So let's see what this will give us. Okay, so this is giving us up to 10 decimal places, so that's why we have kept the scale here 10. So we are rounding it up to 10 decimal places. Now we are going to do all clear. All clear is also working fine, and let's just put a very large value here, and we are getting our values. Okay, but it is not scrollable, so we have to make this also scrollable. Alright, so I had to change few things to make it scroll, to make both of these text views scroll. So I have added scroll view for around both of the app compact text views, and now let's build our application. So let's say we are adding a very long value, and if we click on equal to, it comes like this, and user can scroll it to see the whole value. So that's why we used big decimal for these large calculations. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked the video, you have enjoyed the video, and you have learned something. So stay tuned for the next video, guys.